What if you could turn your savings into a passive income stream or maybe even build significant wealth over time? Investing and trading offer incredible opportunities, and in this video, we will break down the benefits and show you how to get involved. The spiritual side of investing, lessons in contrarianism and compounding. Investing and trading, often viewed solely through a financial lens, offer surprisingly profound spiritual benefits. These practices can foster personal growth, resilience, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Here's how: being contrarian, independent thinking. Many spiritual traditions encourage individuals to question prevailing beliefs and seek their own truth. In investing, this translates to contrarian thinking, the ability to go against the crowd and identify opportunities that others may be overlooking due to fear or herd mentality. Faith and courage. Contrarian investing often requires going against the grain, which can be challenging and even lonely. Spiritual practices can cultivate faith in one's own judgment and the courage to stand by convictions even when faced with doubt or criticism. In the world of stock investing, it's crucial to recognize that market manipulation can occur. Powerful entities may spread misinformation to drive down the stock prices, even when the underlying companies are performing well. The goal is to shake out retail investors, forcing them to sell at a loss, only to buy back those shares at a lower price and profit from the subsequent rebound. Therefore, it's essential to develop a discerning eye and unwavering conviction in your investment decisions. Conduct thorough fundamental analysis to truly understand a company's intrinsic value. This knowledge will empower you to hold on to your stocks confidently, even when faced with negative news or market downturns, as long as your analysis suggests the company remains strong. This is where a contrarian approach becomes invaluable. Dare to go against the grain, question prevailing narratives, and trust your own research. Remember, the majority of market participants are not necessarily on your side. Develop the mental fortitude to withstand short term fluctuations and focus on the long term potential of your investments. By cultivating a contrarian mindset, you can capitalize on opportunities that others miss. When fear and panic grip the market, it's often the best time to buy undervalued assets. Trust your analysis, remain patient, and have the courage to make bold decisions when others are retreating. Detachment from ego. Spiritual teachings often emphasize the importance of detaching from the ego. In investing, this helps contrarians avoid getting caught up in market hype or succumbing to the fear of missing out. It allows for more objective and rational decision making. Consistency and power of compounding. Discipline and patience. Spiritual practices often emphasize discipline and patience. In investing, consistency is the key to harness the power of compounding. Regular investments, even small ones, made consistently over time, can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Long term perspective. Spirituality often encourages a focus on the long term rather than short term gains. Compounding works best over long periods, and a long term perspective helps investors stay the course even during market fluctuations. Trust in the process. Just as spiritual growth is a gradual process, so is building wealth through compounding. Trusting in the process and staying committed to the long term strategy is essential for reaping the rewards of compounding. Intuition, insight, and blessings. Spiritual connection. Many spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of cultivating a connection to a higher power or inner wisdom. This connection can lead to enhanced intuition and insight, which are valuable in making investment decisions. Discernment. Spiritual practices like meditation, prayer, or mindfulness can help quiet the mind and develop a deeper sense of discernment. This allows investors to see beyond the surface noise and identify opportunities that others might miss. Gratitude and humility. Recognizing that success is not solely due to one's own efforts but also involves an element of blessing, fosters gratitude and humility. This mindset helps investors to avoid excessive risk taking and maintain perspective during both gains and losses. Flexibility, adapt, non attachment. Spiritual teachings often emphasize non attachment to outcomes. In investing, this translates to being flexible and adaptable in the face of changing market conditions. Impermanence. Recognizing the impermanence of things is a core spiritual principle. Markets are constantly in flux, and investors need to be able to adapt their strategies and expectations accordingly. Learning and growth. Every market cycle offers lessons. A spiritual perspective encourages continuous learning and growth, allowing investors to evolve their approach and become more resilient over time. The importance of diversification, balance. Many spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of balance in life. In investing, diversification helps create balance by spreading the risk across different asset classes and sectors. Interconnectedness. Spirituality often highlights the interconnectedness of all things. Diversification reflects this understanding by acknowledging that different parts of the economy are interconnected and can impact each other. Reducing attachment. Diversification can reduce attachment to any single investment, promoting a more detached and less emotionally driven approach. Mathematical aspect of the power of compounding. Now just imagine the potential of consistently investing rupees 30,000 each month in undervalued assets, yielding an average annual return of 30%. Over 30 years, the power of compounding could transform this disciplined approach into a substantial corpus. Let's explore the remarkable growth potential using an HDFC SIP calculator. Isn't this really amazing and magical? I think it is. There are a few ways to start investing in the stock market. You can invest directly in stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. If you are a beginner, mutual funds are often a good starting point. To buy any of these, you will first need to open an account with a stockbroker. I personally use and recommend Zerodha, but Grow is another excellent option. That's all for today's video. In the next one, we will dive deeper into the world of mutual funds and ETFs. See you then. Bye.